Jana.
Karibuni, welcome back. Sasa tumeingilia na mahusiano.
Yes.
Mahusiano,
mapenzi
unamiss, umewachwa.
Balasa, nishonishwa dust.
Nairobi.
Mara nyingi sana.
Dust is costing.
Na pia nimeshonishana dust.
Umegongeana. Amegongeana.
Dust ni hapa. Hapana, sijagongeana. Lakini dust ni mwonyesho.
That's right. You must chop breakfast. You must chop breakfast.
Balasa.
Yes. Now, tumeongelea the youth want to face stress, depression, and everything. Kila kitu yenye ina contribute, parents, social media, friends sometimes, siblings. Now, tunataka kuona how this stress, the depression affects their relationships. It could be with friends, family, ama interpersonal relationships. Yes? So, kitu kama depression. You know, depression makes you not live in reality. You can start hallucinating, start seeing your things. Now, if you're depressed, you don't even have time for yourself.
Yes.
How can you now have time for someone else? Now people tend to break up because you're not giving me time, you're not there for me, people 20 out, you're always here, you're always you tend to withdraw from reality.
Yes.
I think you want stress to say I am a young man. I'm trying to make it in life.
Yes.
Akili yangu yote, I want to put it in making sure I get a job or money.
Yes.
So sina time ya indulge in relationship.
Fun moments.
I just want to work. I marry myself in work. Now talk people from the basic necessity of relationship.
Yes.
Now people tend to be alone. People don't have friends. Unapata mtu amenyonga line, unampigia
haingi. Unataka kumsaidia?
Exactly. Labda hata wewe umepata form.
Yes.
Unataka kupatikana because of what? Amejitenga na watu because ana feel it is
unataka kufeel kama pia ni kama kila mtu akupendi.
Exactly.
Ni kama unataka kuwa solo. Na hapo ndio bali symptoms za kwanza za nini? Kwa depressed na kwa ni kwanza kujitenga.
Exactly.
Unapata maybe uko na mpoa wako pale. Unafikiri unataka solo.